Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. From Gradeup.
Hello friend, welcome to Gradeup. The application form for the most awaited engineering exam of the year, GATE 2019, is out now. And for all those engineering aspirants who are looking forward for their career in MTech in some reputed institutes like IIT and Triple IT, and for some lucrative job in public sector, your waiting time is over now. From the past few years, I have seen that some of the aspirants face some problems or difficulties or confusion in filling the GATE application form. Okay. So today I am going to tell you step-by-step procedure to fill the application form for GATE 2019. Okay. So firstly, you have to open the browser. In the browser, you have to type GATE 2019. Then you will see this. You have to click on this GATE 2019 candidate login. As soon as you click on this GATE 2019 candidate login, you will see a login page. Okay. If you have already registered, you will see this login page. You have to enter your login enrollment ID or email address and your password, and you can log in from here. But if you are new user, you have to register from here. Okay. New user, register here. So in the new registered, you have to firstly write your name. First name, middle name and last name. One thing I want to inform you that this name should be same as the name in your 10th certificate. Okay. So you have to type your name. As soon as you type your name, it will ask you to confirm it. Okay. Then you have to confirm your name. After that, you have to enter your email address. Then you have to confirm your email address. Then you have to enter your mobile number. Okay. Then you have to make a password. Now, to make this password, I want to tell you that this password should be strong so that nobody can access your page or GATE 2019 page. Along with that, this password should be kept secured because you will be using this password for the next 6 months to access your admit card, which will come in the month of January, and also your scorecard, which will come in the month of March. Okay. So you have to make a password. After that, you have to just submit here. Okay. As soon as you will click submit on this. Since I have already registered in this GATE 2019 application form, so that's why I'm not seeing that page. Okay. And this is also, I want to tell you that if you have already used one email ID and mobile number, so you won't be able to use it again. Okay, for filling the application form. Okay. So this is also a precautionary measure that you can use your email ID and your mobile number only once to fill the application form. Okay. So since I have already used those details, so I got my enrollment ID. Okay. So I can directly log in by click on this icon, login. Now after hitting on this login page, I have to enter my enrollment ID or my email address and my password. Okay. So since I got my enrollment ID on my mobile phone in my SMS, so I will just enter my enrollment ID. Then my password. So as soon as I log in, I will see this welcome page, welcome Vikas. Okay. And after that, I have to just click on this declaration. Okay. So you have to click on this declaration. I hereby declare that I have read the GATE 2019 information brochure. Okay. So I also request you all that you should read the information brochure once. Okay. So click on this declaration. Then you will see this link in the blue that start GATE 2019 application form. So you have to click on it. As soon as you click on that application form, you will see this page, okay, in which you have to enter the GATE 2019 exam details. Okay. So firstly, you have to select the GATE paper. Okay, the paper for which you wish to appear for GATE 2019. So you have to select from this list. So like I am applying for mechanical, so I will click for in the mechanical engineering, okay, and you have to confirm it. Next is you have to enter the choice of the examination country, okay. So since this GATE exam, some aspirants can also fill from abroad, India, so you can that this is for those candidates, so you can fill the choice of your examination country. So it's in India, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, Nepal, Singapore, Sri Lanka and United Arab Emirates, okay. So I am just clicking on this India. Then you have to enter 3 choice of examination city. Now for this choices of examination city, I want to tell you that you should firstly select that choice as your choice number 1, which is closer to the location where you are living right now, okay, so that you don't face any difficulty on the day of your GATE exam, okay. So choice of examination city 1. Then choice of examination city 2. So as I have entered my 3 choices of my examination city, okay. Now next is applicant personal detail, okay. So as you have entered it, you will see that all the application, your enrollment ID is here, your name and your email address and mobile number is already displayed here, okay. Now you have to verify your email address and your mobile number. So for that verification, you have to click on this verify email address. As soon as you will click on this verify email address, you have to enter an OTP that was sent to you during registration to your email ID, okay. So if that you have received that OTP on your email ID, you have to enter that OTP, and if not, you have to resend that OTP. So now since I have not received any OTP in my mail address till now, so I will verify it later. Now I will verify my mobile number first, because I have received an OTP in my mobile number. So I will enter that OTP. So that OTP I will enter here first. D. So as soon as I will enter my OTP, then you will see this verified, okay, that your mobile number is verified. Now next thing, you have to enter your date of birth. Firstly you have to enter the day, then your month and then the year of your birth, okay. So it will confirm it that are you sure that you are entering it right or not. So you have to continue it. Next thing is you have to enter your gender, okay, then your nationality, then your category. So there are 4 categories: general, OBC, SC or ST. You have to click on the category. The next is person with disability, okay. So you have to, if you are a person with disability, if you have any kind of disability, you have to click yes, otherwise no. Next is candidate with dyslexia or similar learning disability. So dyslexia is a defect in which person have some problem or some learning disabilities, okay. So you have to enter yes if you have some dyslexia, and if not, you have to click no. Next is you have to enter the country of your permanent address, okay. So you have to select the country. Next is you have to select the state or union territory of your permanent address, okay. Next thing, you have to enter the ID proof. Now for this ID proof, I want to tell you that the ID proof that you will enter here in the application form, that ID proof you have to bring in your GATE 2019 examination, okay. That will be verified over there. So make sure that the ID that you select here, that ID you should carry in your GATE exam, okay. So like I am entering Aadhaar card, then you have to enter your ID proof number, okay. After that you have to enter the name of your parent and guardian, okay. Then you have to enter the country of the residence of your parent and guardian. And finally, you have to enter the mobile number of your parent or guardian. Then you have to enter your correspondence address. The current correspondence address is that address in which they will the GATE IITs will the organizing committee or IIT like this year IIT Madras is organizing the GATE examination. If they will try to communicate you somehow, so they will send you either admit card or the scorecard to this correspondence address. Okay, so you should enter the correct correspondence address. Then you have to enter your PIN code. Okay, that should also be correct, because if they will communicate you through postal services, then your PIN code should be correct. And you have to enter your country and then state. Next thing is that you have to enter your qualifying degree details. So firstly, they are asking you have to enter your institute registration number or roll number. Okay, so you have to enter your registration number. Now about this registration number, roll number, I want to tell you that this registration number or roll number is the same as in your qualifying degree or the degree that you are actually in. If you are in a final year of your examination, like if you are pursuing BTech, okay, so the registration number, roll number that you have in your BTech or your BE or any course that you are enrolled right now, okay, so you have to enter that registration number and roll number. Next is you have to enter the qualifying degree. So you can select this option, your qualifying degree from the option given here: B.Arch, BE, B Pharma, BTech, 4-year BSc program. So they are different qualifying degree. Okay. Now as I have selected I am BTech, so I am BTech graduate, so I have selected BTech. Next is you have to select the discipline of qualifying degree. So discipline is the course in which you are pursuing your or pursued your qualifying degree. Okay, so you have to select the discipline from here. So like I am a mechanical engineering graduate, so I will select mechanical engineering. Next is it is asking, have you graduated in the above degree or not? Now this is very important. If some of the aspirants may be in their final year of their BTech, okay, and they are applying for this GATE exam, so you have to click, have you graduated in the above degree? Then you have to click no. If you will select no, then you have to upload a certificate from your head of department, and this certificate is provided in the appendix A of your information brochure of the GATE 2019, okay, that I will show you right now. If you have graduated in the above degree, then you have to click yes. So that certificate, if you have not graduated, if you are in your final year, so that certificate is this is your certificate that you have to download from the information brochure that is given in the appendix A, and you have to fill this certificate, and then you have to paste your photograph in this, and you have to attest it and sign it from your head of department with the institute seal. Okay, so this is the form that you have to fill, that is a certificate that you have to upload if you have not completed your qualifying degree. And since I have completed my graduation, so I will click yes. Okay, then it will ask you the year of qualifying degree. Okay, so you have to enter your year of qualifying degree, then country of the college or university. So country, then the state of the college. Next thing is you have to enter the city or town. Okay, so you have to enter correctly the city or town of your college. Then you have to enter the name of the degree awarding university or the institute name. So if you have studied in a university, then you have to enter a university name, and if it is also an institute name, so you have to, if they both these things are separate, then you have to enter the university name separate, and then you have to enter the college name. So firstly you have to enter the university name or the institute name. Then you have to enter the college name. In the college name, that college name should be same as your qualifying degree college. Then you have to enter the pin code of your college. Okay, so you have to either look for this pin code from the Google, or you have to just ask your college what is the pin code of the area of your in which your college is located. Okay, so the pin code of your college. After that, you have to upload some documents. You have to upload your photograph, you have to upload your signature, and you have to upload the qualifying or eligibility document or certificate. Okay, so to upload the photograph, there are some instructions that are given in the GATE 2019 information brochure. Okay, that your maximum pixel resolution should be between 480 to 640, and the minimum should be between 240 to 320. Also, the aspect ratio should be between 0.66 to 0.8933. Okay, so this is very important, because if your photograph is not within this resolution or within this aspect ratio, and also the size of the photograph should be between 5 KB to 200 KB. So if this specification do not match, you will not be able to upload your photograph or your documents that are required here. Okay, so firstly you have to choose the photograph. So to fill the GATE application form, I want to tell you that you should keep all these documents before, so that you don't face any problem while submitting the application form. Okay, so this specification of the photograph, like if you see my dimension of the photograph, it is 413 into 531. So it is matching the dimension of this resolution that is asking, 480 to 640. So the maximum resolution is 413 to 531. Also the size of the photograph is 169 KB, and so it is within the size that is required here. So I will click it. As I will click here, it will ask me to crop it. Either I can crop it, or I can just directly upload my image. So I will click here on the upload. As soon as I will click on the upload, the photograph is uploaded successfully. It will show here. Okay. Next thing is signature. Again, for the signature, it is telling that the resolution, maximum and minimum resolution is given. Also the aspect ratio of the photograph signature is given to you. Okay. Now to make this, if it is not within the given resolution or aspect ratio, so you can open your image in the Paint, and you can set your aspect ratio and resolution in the Paint, and you can resize it, and also you can do it online also. Okay, so you have to upload your signature. This is my signature. My signature dimension are 400 and 110, and this is within the dimension, and size is also 24 KB. So as soon as I click here and upload it, my photograph, it is also saying that it is uploaded successfully. Okay. Next thing is the eligibility document or certificate. Now this eligibility document or certificate is, if you have completed your graduation, then you have to upload your qualifying degree. If you have not completed your graduation, or if you are in your graduation or final year of your graduation, then you have to enter that, upload that certificate that I have shown you right now. Okay, duly signed by your head of department with a seal of your institute. Okay, so since I have completed my graduation, I will upload my graduation degree. So I have uploaded my graduation degree. Okay, here I can also look if I have my degree is uploaded or not, correctly uploaded or not. So I can look here. So it is correctly uploaded, as you can see. Now I can again come back to the page. Next thing it is asking, where did you first come to know about GATE 2019? So you can just enter the sources from which you have heard about this, either from word of mouth, from newspaper advertisement, or from internet search. So I was waiting for the last 1 year for this GATE 2019, and I was searching every day in the internet. So I will select internet search. Then you have to just click on this declaration. After that, it is asking three things. First thing is save. Next, save and view application, and submit and proceed to payment. So as soon as you will click on the save, it will save the complete application form that you have filled till now. So click on the save. So you will see a message that the data you have entered has been saved successfully. Okay. After that, you can just verify that whether all these things match here or not. So it is showing that email OTP generation limit exceeded. Please log out and log in again to do OTP verification. So it is showing over here. Okay. So if your form is not verified, then it will show that your form is not verified. Now next thing is that after saving this application form, you can see if you want to make any changes or if you want to do edit something, then you can also edit. If you will click this save and view application, then you can view your complete form and you can see what all things you have entered. Okay, and you can just verify from this application form. Okay. And the last thing is that if you click on this submit and proceed to payment, then the complete application form will be submitted. You won't be able to change anything or edit anything in your application form. Okay. So till these two steps, you can make any changes or edit your application form, but after that you can't do any changes. So as soon as I click on the submit and proceed to payment, so it is asking for the payment. Okay. Now this payment fee is different for the different categories. For the general it is 1500, for the OBC it is 750. Okay. So it is different for the girl candidate it is 750, half of the amount, and it is different for all the different categories. Okay. So it is asking the application fee amount. Okay. Now again, there are different transaction processing fee for different mode of payment. So if you pay by credit card, then you will have to pay 1% of the fee amount. If you buy net banking, then you have to pay rupees 15 per transaction. So there are different transaction processing fee if you select different option for the mode of payment. Okay. So I am selecting on the mode of payment. Now if there are different options like credit card plus ATM, internet banking. So if I want to make my payment through internet banking, I can select internet banking, select your bank and then make payment. Then you have to enter your details. Then it is asking you the remarks. So you should enter the remarks, gate fee. Okay. And it is asking me the details of my debit card. After that, I have to enter one-time password that is sent to my mobile phone. So I have to enter my one-time password, OTP. Then I will click on the pay. So you will see a message that payment is successful. And you will receive a merchant number and you will receive this online payment made successfully. Okay. And so application status, you will receive your application status in which you will see that your payment has been made successfully. Also it is showing that email OTP generation limit exceeded. Please log out and log in again to OTP verification. Okay. So since my email has not been verified, so it is still showing me that your email is not verified, and if I will log out and log in again, then I can again enter my OTP. So if you face any problem, okay, if there is some server problem and if you have not received OTP on your email address or your mobile phone, so you can just log out and log in again and you can enter your email ID, okay, or the OTP that is sent to your email ID, okay. Now next thing is that you have download your application form. So this is my application form. Now I can use this application form. I have to save this somewhere. I have to keep it safe. Okay. Now since I have downloaded my application form, after that you have to keep it safe for your future reference, okay, because you require this application form, either you require this enrollment ID, okay, so you have to keep it safe somewhere, okay, till your results are not out, okay. So student, do not wait till the last date, because in the last time, that is on the, if you some of the aspirants fill this application form on the last day of the application form, then there is a lot of problem in the server, okay, that is today, like there is some problem in the OTP. There is similar problem that you will not receive the OTP, or you will not receive the payment OTP, or you will not receive the payment page, okay. So either there is a problem in the opening of website or in the payment. So these some problems which arises in the last time of the, or the last date of the application form. So you should start filling your application form from today onwards, okay. And I hope you are preparing well for your exam. And I also want to tell you that you should join some test series, because that will help you to boost your preparation and also make you familiar with the correct examination pattern, okay. Because there are some good test series like Gradeup, which are and different other test series which provide you the real time scenario of the virtual calculator and some good quality question that you can practice daily and can boost your preparation, okay. So it's time for you to stand on your toes and prepare for the GATE 2019 exam, okay. If you have any query, you can post your query or comment on the Gradeup, okay. We are here to help you, and thank you. Bye.